You are an idiot if you're not watching these three stocks for Tuesday's trading day. Last night, as always, I gave you one of the biggest stocks in the market today on BBAI for a massive 20% win. If you missed it, don't worry because tomorrow's top stock looks almost identical to BBAI before it absolutely exploded today. As always, I'm saving my absolute favorite stock for last, so make sure to watch the full video if you like making money. First up and number one on the list is this massive explosion from after hours today on PWM. So this thing exploded over 150% today in after hours and still has a ton of room to the upside now that it's broken over its 200-day moving average. Now, I don't like it just yet, but there was news this afternoon that could spark the next day's move here tomorrow. Now, the only way I can actually watch PWM tomorrow is if we actually confirm buyers back over VWAP over 75 cents. Once we confirm buyers over 75 cents or off of VWAP, look for pullbacks to then set up here for the nice higher low entry right here off the low 80-cent area. If that happens, watch for VWAP to hold for the range back overhead to $1.20 all the way to $2 a share to the upside if this really starts to get going. No confirmation, no trade. Next up, number two on the list looks almost identical to last night's BBAI that absolutely exploded today. Now, that stock here is the Super Titan Coil daily breakout on ABAT. Now, this thing has formed some nice lower highs and higher lows the past few trading sessions, which means we have to first break up out of this tightening wedge first. So the only way to actually watch ABAT tomorrow is if we do find confirmation here over $1.70. I want to find strength over that level. Now, what does strength mean? Actually look for strong buying pressure over that 170 breakout. We can then look for lower volume pullbacks to confirm over $1.70 for the range, then back overhead all the way to 2 and 220 to the upside. This thing again looks absolutely incredible, but as always, no break, no trade. Next up, and last but not least, number three is my absolute favorite stock for tomorrow, and it actually exploded over 700% today and looks like it could do it all over again tomorrow. But if you don't play it this exact way, it could do some pretty serious damage. Now, before I give it to you, I give you the top three stocks in the market every single day for completely free. So do me a favor and hit that like button down below to say thank you, and hit that follow button as well so you're tuned in every single night for my top stock watch list. Now, that stock is the massive squeezer today on BMNR. Now, there's actually only one way you can watch this for tomorrow to prevent any fake outs like it did today. This thing hasn't liked high day breakouts at all today. So the only way to actually look to play this is off of a nice paced pullback. That being said, I am watching for continuation tomorrow, but I'm going to have to see confirmation show up here over $47 a share. I then want to see pullbacks start to set up somewhere over $42 a share. As you can see off these pullbacks, if we start to form that base there over 42 bucks, I want to look for that entry opportunity off those pullbacks tomorrow morning for the range overhead all the way to 65, maybe even to $80 a share to the upside. Now, this thing looks pretty insane and then undeniably had some pretty wild momentum today. So while this could have another amazing day tomorrow, you have to be patient, picky, and prepared to make sure you find the absolute best entry in the market tomorrow. To unlock my entire stock watch list every single night, every single morning, to watch me trade stocks just like this in real time every day, to get alerts, chat room access, education, and so much more, make sure to claim your 7-day free trial while the market is insanely hot so you're not just left sitting on the sidelines missing out. And as always, comment down below which one of these three stocks is your absolute favorite for tomorrow, what stocks you're watching for tomorrow, and I will see you in that 7-day free trial for another record-breaking trading day in the stock